Guys, there's a train coming. Guys, there's a train coming. Or it just passed, but there's a train coming.
There it comes right there. The red.
Oh, it's an FEC, guys. Here, guys, just watch it.
David, stop it!
Okay, fine. I'm sorry.
It's not that loud.
Look at that, guys. It's the FEC train down there. Let's go.
It is loud.
Okay, I'm sorry, London.
You and David just say that because you're used to it and you don't know.
Okay, London. That was a special FEC one. That's the first time I've gotten an FEC on video that I'm probably gonna upload to YouTube. Woo! We're going to my sister's softball game, and here comes, and I'm like, oh, we're gonna be by the tracks, and I come, and we see it. I'm like, oh my gosh, there's a train coming. So this goes to the FEC yard, which leads to downtown, where I usually film my train videos, guys. Dad, can you stay on this road until the train passes?
I think so. We're going to be on the
Dad, do you need any gas?
I think the end of the train might be coming.
Gas.
Thank you.
London, can you please be quiet for me?
I was just asking because there's a gas station, right?
Here comes the end of the train, guys.
Yeah, there's the gas.
There it goes, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.